Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint in Binance. First, navigate to the Binance Support Center, which is easily accessible from their official website or mobile app. Once there, use the search bar to find existing articles or frequently asked questions that might address your specific concern. If you don't find a solution, look for the Submit a Request or Contact Us option to begin the formal complaint process. This ensures your issue is properly documented. When detailing your complaint, it's crucial to select the most appropriate category from the provided options. This helps direct your issue to the correct department for faster resolution. Clearly describe your problem, including all specific dates, times, and any relevant transaction identification numbers. Remember to attach supporting documents like screenshots, transaction records, or error messages, as these provide vital evidence for your case. Before submitting, carefully review all the information you've provided to ensure accuracy and completeness. Once submitted, you will receive a unique complaint ticket number. Make sure to note this down, as it's essential for future reference and tracking. You can then monitor the status of your complaint directly through the Binance Support Center or by checking for email updates from their support team. If your complaint isn't resolved within a reasonable timeframe, typically a few business days, consider escalating the issue. Explore options for live chat support or direct contact with a support agent if these services are available for your specific region. For persistent or unresolved issues, it's advisable to research external regulatory bodies or consumer protection agencies in your jurisdiction that might be able to offer further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.